Welcome back to Stanley's 8.1 garage. We have a little situation. We're gonna have some fun today. We gotta get this done so I can go to work. My pickup truck, she's got a bad starter, and this one here has a oil leak, and we're gonna show you that later. Right now, this is how it sounds when she has a bad starter. Okay, man, just turn a little bit. Okay. Bad starter. Alright, so we're gonna cut you guys on when we get at least one of them started. Alright. And I want to wish everybody, YouTube family, my family, friends, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas to you guys, and Happy New Year. And I hope we can get a video in before the end of this year. At least two of them. What do you think? Two? Maybe two. We'll see how that goes. Alright guys, cut you back on later.